This is a really neat aviation-themed food hall in Long Beach, California. I'm going to show you around. It's in this development called the Long Beach Exchange, right near Long Beach Airport. As we head into this hangar, it is actually not an old hangar, but McDonnell Douglas Corporation used to build aircraft here right next to Long Beach Airport, and so they built this hangar new to look like an old aviation hangar that now sells tasty food. First up, we've got Cys Corner Cafe, one of 14 food vendors here. What do they serve? Bagels. What else do they serve? More bagels. Bagels, sandwiches, and what's also neat though, right above Cys Cafe, they've got the airport departure sign for all the different vendors that are in here, and you can see it's still like an actual flip type thing that is cool. We've got Blue Bowl selling, I think, like acai bowls, but this is Thanksgiving weekend, so they're closed. Ikes Love and Sandwiches, a popular sandwich chain, which, what do they sell? Love and sandwiches. You can get their menage a trois, halal chicken, honey mustard, barbecue sauce, real honey, pepper jack, Swiss and cheddar. They have like 900 sandwiches on the menu or something like that. I don't know, like there's some on the menu, but some that aren't on the menu. We've got Jaybirds here. They've got spicy Nashville style fried chicken sandwiches. Chicken sandwich and fries, about 15 bucks. Donor G for kebabs. They've also got baklava and Turkish style ice cream. You can see the meat rotating right there in the back, and they serve it up fresh for you right there. We've got Plaid Sheep, which is closed today. Also, this place is pretty good. I've eaten here. They have fancy grilled cheese sandwiches. Now, this is a really interesting spot. Morning, nights, and you can order out here on the window. They've got like dim sum, like shumai and things like that. And then they've got the Plaid Bar, which is kind of like a little speakeasy that you go through this little red door, and then you duck your head in here, and it's got like pandas that are on the wall, and here's the bar, and it's just a cool little spot. Okay, there's then the big bar for the food hall itself right here in the center. And this is like for beers, so they have 27 beers on tap today. You can get a little 4-ounce pour for $3 or 16 ounces for $8. Reasonable prices. Poke squared grill. So they've got kind of like one of these like make your own poke bowls where you go down the line and pick up different veggies and pick up different fish, and then you get that all mixed together. Coming soon, Wagyu Street, not open yet, but they'll have Wagyu bowls, sandwiches, and more. Amorcito, this is kind of like a high-end Mexican joint, which also has pretty good food. I've eaten at their location at South Coast Plaza, but you can get like Sonora tacos, you can get like street corn, Baja shrimp. There's a little shop here in the middle selling shirts and hats. It's like noon on a Saturday, so I guess they're not open quite yet. We've got a little cheese shop here in the middle too. Sweet Dreams Made for Cheese. Marinate Korean barbecue. So you can you pick your protein, you make a Korean barbecue bowl or a burrito. They've also got fried mandu, but you can see they've got like, when it's busy and they're making food, they've got someone right here that like cooks that right up. And this is the Croft, which has a lot of boutique meats, I will say. They have a whole poutine section and different sandwiches, cheese steaks, leftover sandwich, and they've also got double Wagyu smash burgers. And just to show you a little bit more about what's outside, they often use this area out in front for special events. Today they've got like a maker's fair that they're setting up out here. Not quite here done yet because it's still early, but different people selling jewelry and things like that. There's a seating area out here. There's a grassy area out here too. And then over along the sides, there's a whole bunch of different restaurants and shops that are in this whole complex. If you don't like anything there, there's like an In-N-Out burger just across the way. Really lots of food to eat. So fellow explorers, if you find yourself near Long Beach Airport, definitely check out the Hangar at LBX. If you want to see more of my Los Angeles series or Orange County series, you'll find links to those on the screen because Long Beach is right in the middle. And as usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in one of those videos.